Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Hello and good day. Today we're talking about the purpose for drum fills. Why play a drum fill? When to play a drum fill? And while we're at it, what's the meaning of life? In a general sense, drum fills exist to help guide the music. Whether you're swinging a big band or playing progressive death metal, we create a pulse for the music, and the fills are part of that pulse. One of the reasons to play a fill would be to signal a transition. When you go from verse to a chorus, the fill transitions the song from section to section. You can also play a fill at the end of a phrase. The fill can also punctuate an idea. Sometimes you can play a fill to prevent the groove from feeling static. In a typical fill, the groove stops for you to play this fill, and then you go back to the groove or another groove. But the fill can also be a different groove, meaning you can just play a variation on your groove to act as a fill. Fills can be a part of how you develop your voice as a drummer. It's a chance to get creative with your dynamics, touch, and rhythmic vocabulary. But I think whatever you play, beats or fills, what you play needs to support the song. It needs to fit the style and match the emotion. What you play, beats and fills wise, tells a story throughout the song. It might help to think of it this way. The groove is the conversation and the fill is the emphasis. Or the groove is the foundation and the fill is decoration. I'm reminded of a quote, I don't know who said it, that talking about music is like dancing about architecture. So the best thing to do is to listen and analyze your favorite songs or just songs in general. Listen and study the fills. Analyze what musical statement do these fills make. Analyze what's going on in the fills. Is it a big tom run of 30-second notes? Is it sparse? Take note of the dynamics, the orchestration. Fills can be a place where you can show your creativity and voice as a drummer. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.